Hey, let's talk about something a little uncomfortable, but crucial for any business: the tension between sales and finance. You've probably seen it. Sales teams, focused on closing deals and hitting targets, and finance teams, meticulous about accuracy, compliance, and the bottom line. It's a classic struggle, but what if there was a way to bridge that gap? That's where Spiff comes in. Spiff isn't just another software platform, it's a solution built to enhance trust and collaboration between these two vital departments. Here's how it works. For sales, Spiff provides complete visibility into their compensation. Think about it. When a rep can log in and see exactly how their latest deal translates into their paycheck, there's no room for doubt or confusion. They can track their progress in real time, understand the nuances of their compensation plan, and even model different scenarios to see how their actions impact their earnings. This transparency is a game changer. It builds confidence and eliminates the black box feeling that can often surround commissions. No more waiting for the end of the month to see if that big deal actually paid out what you thought it would. Now, let's look at it from the finance side. For finance teams, Spiff provides a single source of truth for all compensation data. No more messy spreadsheets, manual calculations, or chasing down approvals. Spiff automates the entire process, ensuring that every calculation is accurate and compliant. This level of automation drastically reduces errors and frees up valuable time for finance professionals to focus on strategic analysis rather than data entry. When finance can confidently sign off on commission payouts, they're not just approving a number, they're validating the sales team's hard work. This shared, trusted data foundation is the key. This mutual understanding is where the magic happens. Sales teams trust that their commissions will be paid accurately and on time, which motivates them to sell more. Finance teams trust the data they are working with, which makes their job easier and more efficient. The friction disappears, replaced by a sense of partnership. They're no longer working against each other, they're working together to drive the company forward. By removing the friction and building transparency, Spiff helps sales and finance teams move from a relationship of tension to one of trust. It's about aligning incentives, clarifying processes, and creating a culture where everyone is on the same page. So, if you're looking to end the sales versus finance standoff in your organization, Spiff might just be the solution you've been searching for. It's more than just software, it's the foundation of a more collaborative, trusting, and ultimately, more successful business.